this nice. Isn't it ironic? Don't you think? It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you're already paid. 35 that you just didn't stay. And who would have thought? Because life is a funny way of sneaking up on you. It's a funny way. Life is a funny way when you act, when you think everything's going wrong, everything blows up in your face. Jam, when you're already late, no smile.